Hello everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video what we're going to be doing is making a DIY light up Christmas sign, so make sure you stay tuned. All the materials that you can see right now have been reclaimed from stuff. So this piece of wood right here was reclaimed from an old bed frame and it's a really nice bit of pine. This acrylic and diffuser was reclaimed from an old LCD TV and that's also really cool. And this LED strip we found this in a skip and these work absolutely perfectly. So we're going to be using these as well. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go off and I'm going to build the frame out of this pine. And how I'm going to do this is cut each corner at 45 degrees. So I could just push it together with a bit of glue, clamp it, and that's it. Right, so I'll be back once I've done that. So here's what the frame looks like once it's been glued, clamped and dried overnight, and I think it's looking particularly beautiful if you ask me. And you're probably going to notice I've added a few little things, and you'd be right, I've added this little support beam down here which makes the frame even stronger, and I've added this little bracket right here, and that's just to allow it to hang wherever I want it to, like so. So there's probably something else that I should mention, and that is I didn't have the right driver to drive the other LED strips that I had. So that means I decided to use some different ones. But don't worry, these have still been scavenged out of an old light panel that we had. And it has the right driver to go along with it, which makes my job 1,000,002 times easier. Right, so I'm going to attach these LEDs and yeah, I'll come back when I feel like there's an update. So how I'm going to attach the LEDs is really simple. So I've got these two support beams which I actually cut off the frame to this light panel. So everything's been reused, which is really cool. So I've had to cut it down to size, and also because the LED strips were a little bit long, I had to make some notches in the frame right here. As you can see, right here, and there's two at the top as well. So these beams fit perfectly in them notches, and all that means I have to do is just lay the LED strip on top, like so. It's already got a bit of glue on it, so it's already stuck, and that's it. Pull it in, connect it up, and then put the acrylic on. So I'm going to go do that now, and I'll come back once I'm done. So I've added the LEDs, and it's actually made it look really nice, especially with these support beams going all the way down. So I've wired it together very loosely. I've still got to tidy it up, but we can give this a little bit of a test. So take a look at that. So I screwed the acrylic down with the diffuser on top, and it actually looks pretty nice. But I wouldn't worry about these screws, because when we put the stencil over the top, you're actually not going to see them, and it's just going to look nice. Right, so let me power this up, and I'll give you an example. Isn't that pretty cool? So I'm going to go off and make the stencil now, and once I've done that, we've basically finished the project. So I'm going to go off and do that now. Now I cut out my stencil and I've laid it on top. I think this looks really cool. But the best part about this is that you're not going to be able to tell what it says or what's actually on it until it's switched on, which I think could be pretty funny. Right, so let me show you guys an example. So this brings me to the end of the video, and I've really enjoyed making this project just because it looks so nice, and this build quality is awesome. I will be doing another video on this, specifically on the stencils, because they don't strictly have to be Christmas related, they could be anything, which is also really cool, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Anyway guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.